Now, look who's up in that big beautiful tree. Can you see them? It's an Egyptian goose pair. What you doing, guys? Just a few minutes ago they were very loud, so I'm not quite sure what's happening. Okay, are you gonna come down? They are really high up. In the meantime, the rest of the pond inhabitants are just getting on with their lives, and they're fairly quiet. Wow, look at those colors of the willows and some other trees behind. Absolutely beautiful. And we finally have blue skies, because it's been raining and raining, and then it rained some more. Are you guys still up there? Yep. Hey, naughty. Let that coot alone. I must include some of the beautiful leaves. Look at that. So pretty. Okay. The Egyptian geese are determined to stay up there for the time being. I know they like to be up in trees and stuff. Not like the other geese. But I've never seen them this high up. Right. Okay. They have started all going to my right. I think there might be someone feeding them further down. Or not, I don't know. Now, what's going on here? There's a duck and coot standoff. Be friends, guys. Let's see what's gonna happen. Okay. Another coot. Lots of commotion suddenly. And there's one here near me. Can you see its beautiful feet? Hello. Okay. Just can't have enough of the colors. Okay. Looks like the coots are in a feisty mood today. Not like they generally aren't. There are birds that like to fight a lot. And back to you guys. They're preening up high. Okay, I think that's it for today from Goose Pond. Look at that. Alright, have a lovely day everyone. Ahoy!